Hi, it's Oscar here. Today I'm going to talk about the sets. Actually, this is one of the beautiful topic in Python, and it's very interesting. Actually, mostly it depends on the mathematical thing, but on the database data system, it's working perfectly. For example, if I have two set of the A and B, and then I want to know that what is the common between them, what is the union between them. So in A, I have a 14 and hello, and in B, I have again 14 and hello. Some of the items may be, for example, 16 maybe here or there. But let me change, for example, here. If I change this one to 19, this set, and change this one to, I don't know, 116, the only thing that common I have between these two is being 14 in this one, 14 in this set, and then I have the hello on this one and hello this one. So what we try to do, each set they are different, but there are something common in between, which we are using to create what is common between them and each card. The most important few thing that we have to know that we are not able to change anything in the set. So the set is going to be same item that we are going to be. And there are unorders and unchangeable, and there are unique elements in each set, but there are some common, maybe not, but we compare it, see if there are some element on that one. It's between them, or they are union between or separate from each other. Let me show you some of the example. Let's go back to Python and create that, and from here we start. Okay, cars, that's a variable, and this is curly bracket. You have to make sure that's curly bracket, and each one separated. There is no index in the set, so no index on the set, we are going to say that. So each one they are separated with one. Let me go from Ford, then GM, and let me Chevy have here. This is a set of car. So if I want printed, I print the cars. Here it is, and let me run one. That is this set. So they are an order and changeable. We are not able to change it, and we are not able to duplicate that. Let me do here. Let me, for example, I put Ford here again and print it out. See what does it tell me. You know, it's not, it's same thing. I did add Ford. Let me add more Ford, or Chevy again here. Let me add again Chevy here. So same thing. So we are not able to duplicate it, but if duplicate it doesn't do anything for me. The same item is going to be right there. Let me get we are able to get the length of that one. So I use the length method, and see, this still is length 3. Even if I had to duplicate here, didn't make any difference. So we are not able to duplicate it. So even we have 0, there is no index, so I cannot say this is 0 index 1, 2, 3. Is it set all the three unique, no duplicate, it's going to be on that one. So let me have, for example, one more set. I'm going to create one more set. Let me delete this Ford and Chevy. Again, I'm going to have one more set. I put the car, and I put the car number 2, and then I add on this set, and I'm doing number of the different set. Let me do this one differently. Let me add here Honda, and let me add Ford to it, Let me add on this one to this one, and that is going to be okay. Now let me see that how we are able to see that. I can make three more set and compare, see what is the set one, what is set two, what is that. Actually, when first of all, let me make sure that what it tells me, if I ask them, tell me what type of the data they are. So if I just put it, it tells me, you know, they are set, that are type of set. Let me do one more thing that I want to do, that let me get those set, access to the set, and remove through the set. So how does it work? Let me create another variable, and I want print that one. Okay, on this set of the car. So we call it union. Let me, here it is. I create another variable, and on this variable, I give car tree, set of tree. On this variable, I want to have the union cars I have, and I want the union, that is the method that I'm going to use, and I want to know what is the union between car 2, set of car 2, right? And then I want printer, print car 3, right? Whatever that I create as a variable between union or between them. So what happened here, I have Ford and Nissan, Honda, and the rest is going to go. So the union between them, what is, I have Ford here, and I have Ford here too, and I have these two, they are common between both of them. So this is going to stay. Then I have Nissan, Honda, and the rest of that. The union between two, it's going to be bad. I can say what is the intersection, what is just common between them. Let me show you how I'm able to do that. Here, what I can do, I can say that, show me, let me give below that one. I want what is between them. So what I can say, there is a method they call intersection update. I can use that update and tell what is the update between both of them. So I have cars, and then I can say that the intersection update, and then I want to say car 2. Okay, and then I want to print the cars right now, right? Print cars, that one. Let me print dot. So what is between intersection, what is common between both of them is only Ford. It means there is a Ford here, there's a Ford here. Let me add, I can add, for example, 14 or 17, and I can add here, let me make it, I can add 17 here too. And let me see what is right now. I have 17 between both of them, and I have 14. So that is intersection. So we are able to get the union, what are between both of them, both set, they have that item elements, or what between both elements are unique, if both of them they have same elements on them. So that is, so we have intersection update. Then we are to use only intersection. Let me do this one. Let me just print, for example, if I want to use, I create another variable, I call car 4, and that's a set of the 4, but I want the cars, and they are, I want intersection between this car and then I want the car 2 that I have, and then what I want print the car set that I have. That is what's the difference between them is going to be that. So I was able to update it or just get the whatever that common. So intersection, car, give me both one. It's between both of them. So give me a new set. I create a new set. Now I create a new set which I have in different variable and I keep those one. So if in future just I want to use the variable number 4 which is car right now, I have every element on that one that is common between them. As said, we are not able to duplicate one, but in both of in any sets. So if we do it, doesn't make any difference for us. We have different type of the method that we are able to use on set. We are able to add, clear out that one, see what's the difference between two. We talk about the intersection update, we have it, and hopefully you'll be able to go and check. We can pop and a remove method, we have it. It's it's a very interesting subject that you are talking about sets. So set is going to be what is like mathematical or data structure. If you want to know that if they are both same age, they are looking, they have two set of the data, they have the same age or same characteristic that print out for us, or we are going to work on that one. We are able to do that. Hopefully you enjoy it. Please don't forget to subscribe.